Choosing the right paint finish for your kitchen cabinets is crucial. Semi-gloss is my top pick. Durable, easy to clean, and it brightens up the space. High gloss is also a great option, reflecting light beautifully, but watch out for imperfections. Opt for high-quality acrylic latex paints, not those cheap vinyl heavy ones. Hybrid waterborne alkyd paints give you oil paint durability with low odor, worth the investment. Proper prep is key. Clean, prime, and sand those surfaces. Hand application is fine, but a paint sprayer can give you that factory smooth finish faster. Always use a primer made for cabinetry to ensure adhesion and longevity. For unbeatable durability, consider conversion varnish on exposed wood. And remember, don't skip the prep. Clean, sand, and label everything. Apply multiple thin coats, let each dry fully, and allow for proper curing time. Stick with semi-gloss or gloss finishes in the kitchen. Matte just won't cut it.